What if your posts are published but Google never show them? Currently, a lots of websites are facing indexing issue. Pages are not getting indexed, stuck in crawl but not indexed, or just not appearing on Google. In this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix all of your indexing issue by the help of Rank Math SEO plugin, so your pages are actually getting indexed and start ranking. Without wasting a valuable time, let's jump into it. At the beginning, you have to open Google Chrome profile and search for Google Search Console. Now open the first link and click on Start Now button. Now you have to click on the drop-down box and choose a project. Then you have to expand indexing and click on pages. Now scroll down. On this page, you will find all of your indexing issue. But if you are a Rank Math Pro user, then you will see all the details from your WordPress dashboard. To see all of this from your dashboard, then you have to log into WordPress dashboard, hover your mouse on Rank Math SEO plugin and click on dashboard. Now you have to find for analytics and enable it. Once you enable analytics, then click on general settings and then click on analytics. Now you have to connect Rank Math with Google Analytics. Once you connect Rank Math with Google Analytics, then hover your mouse on Rank Math SEO and click on Analytics. Now click on Index Status tab. From this page, you can easily check all of your page or post which is currently indexed or not indexed. These are the quick overview. To check a specific one, you have to click on the drop-down box and choose any of these. Let me describe one by one. Let's start with not found 404 error. Now what's the error? Let me give you a quick example. Let's think that's one of your post. Now let's change the URL. To change the URL, you have to open the post and change it. Now update your post. Now refresh this page. Once you refresh your page, then you will see this kinds of 404 page, and that's called not found 404 error. To fix 404 issue with the help of Rank Math SEO plugin, you have to log into WordPress dashboard, hover your mouse on Rank Math SEO and click on General Settings. Now find redirection and click on it. Now choose redirect to home page and save the changes. Now refresh the page. Then you will see you automatically redirect to your home page. To fix 404 issue, you can also set redirection. Let me show you how you can do this. Hover your mouse on Rank Math SEO and click on dashboard. Now from this page, you have to find redirection and enable it. Once you enable redirection, then click on it and click on Add New. Now on this box, you have to paste the broken link and then type the new destination URL and choose the 301 permanent move, and for extras you have to set up activate. Now click on Add Redirection. Now once someone come to this link, then they will have to redirect to this URL. That is how you can set redirection to fix 404 error. The next issue is excluded by Noindex tag. By setting Noindex tags, you tell Google that their crawler bot can't access your website. To fix this issue, you have to log into WordPress dashboard, hover your mouse on settings and click on reading. Now you have to uncheck mark on search engine visibility box and save the changes. If you are using any caching plugin, then don't forget to clear your cache after doing any changes. Then exclude by Noindex tags issue will be fixed. The next issue is page with redirect. Let's open it and check the issue one by one. If the link is working, then you don't need to worry about it. Also, you can check that previously you didn't set up redirection. The next issue is blocked by robots.txt. That means you block Google and other search engine crawler to block to crawl a specific page or post. Let me show you how you can fix this issue with the help of Rank Math SEO plugin. First, you have to hover your mouse on Rank Math SEO plugin and click on Title and Meta. Now you have to check Robots Meta tag box. The index is selected. If a single post or page is blocked by robots tag, then open the post or page, click on Rank Math icon and click on Advanced. If any of your post or page robots meta set as Noindex, then you have to set this as Noindex and save the changes. Then your blocked by robots.txt issue will be fixed. The next two issue is crawl can't not index and discover can't not index. What's the meaning of these two issues? The first one is crawl can't not index. That's when Google and other search engine bot is crawl your website and set your page or post as a no index for a reason. The second one is discover can't not index. That's when Google and other search engine bot are aware of your post or page but not crawl it. To fix these two issues, you have to write high quality content and try to avoid duplicate page. If you want to check your page duplicate content, then there's a tool available. At first, take a new tab and search for siteliner.com. Then you'll come to this page. Now type your website URL and click on Go button. Now this website will crawl your website and found duplicate content and much more information. Once the process is finished, then click on duplicate content. Those are the pages or posts those have the highest number of match percent content. Now you have to edit those pages to fix crawl content not indexed and discover and content not indexed issue. That is how you can easily fix all of your indexing issue by the help of Rank Math SEO plugin. I hope you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video.